All right, so what are we here for? Is this for a motion?
This is a motion to revoke probation, Your Honor. My client does intend to plead true.
All right, could I have the motion to revoke probation on this case, please? What is it? It's John Barry on page 9.
What are we doing?
Yes.
So sorry, Judge, I was not ready.
No problem.
I don't even know if we did a search.
Okay. Renee, did you do a certification on this?
Oh, Your Honor, you know what? My apologies.
All right.
We get to do that. One
That's what it
portion.
was, because we didn't have it ready because we didn't have the search.
Okay.
I do apologize, Your Honor.
Oh, hey, it happens. It's a Monday.
Manic Mondays, so they say.
I just sat on the back real quick, just to get everything okay.
All right, thank you.
Diana, can you give me that cause number for John Barry?
Yes, that's 2025 CR.
Okay.
01
Okay.
2861.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 012861, State versus John Barry. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Anyone else on behalf of Mr. John Barry?
And are you Mr. Barry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same John Cowan Barry Jr. who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 012861, the offense of evading arrest detention with a previous conviction on February 27, 2025 for a term of 4 years?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, state is proceeding on violated condition number 41, which states on or about the 29th day of July, 2025. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, John Cowan Barry Jr., did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court in violation of condition 41.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? And state, are you waiving the other allegations?
No objection from the defense.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
Yes,
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion to revoke sentence to 2 years, as well as take into consideration clause number 2025 PF 29310.
Your Honor, we would just ask if we can just be heard in terms of the time of confinement with certain justifications related to substance use disorder.
All right, and the case that you're asking to be taken in consideration, what were the last 4 digits again?
29310.
And what is that offense?
That is possession of controlled substance, PG1.
All right. So are you in agreement with revocation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then the court then will hear your argument with regards to sentencing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Concerns of the punishment to be assessed by the court. We asked the court to take judicial notice on the court summary provided by probation that he did successfully complete lifetime recovery inpatient for the dates of March 14th, 2025 through June 30th, 2025, which he was issued a certificate of completion for that inpatient lifetime recovery. We do know, and we are aware that the court knows that he was subject to felony drug court conditions. He did suffer a relapse in which he self-admitted to felony drug court that he was using substances. So there's no dishonesty behind his issues, Judge. He did kind of fall off. He was at a sober living home, and then he did abscond from there upon relapsing. He did state reasons for doing so, where he was trying to get back to his family members that live in New Mexico. He did state that his grandmother is suffering from cancer, lung cancer. It's very serious, as well as mother that has diabetes. So there needs some help. We do believe that since Mr. Barry is not from here, San Antonio, he didn't have the proper support system. So that's why I think he's proceeding with this route, trying to resolve these issues, to get back to his family, to provide the support they're needing, Judge. He hasn't been to state jail before, and this is my understanding is an evading arrest sentence underlying offense. So we asked the court to weigh all those factors and announce the punishment. We were asking for less than the two. Judge would be asking for 10 months in a state jail facility based upon his issues with substance use. The fact that he picked up a new case, this is possession case, nothing violent, and doesn't have a violent history, Your Honor. For those aforementioned reasons, we're requesting less than the 2 years.
All right. So the court is aware that this is a evading with
Was that
on foot. It's not in a vehicle. But also the court is noting that you absconded. That's a problem. And with felony drug court, I know that if you tell them what your issues are, they would have made arrangements with regards to any health issues your relatives may be having. Court is going to grant the motion, sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. You credit for any time served. Taking consideration 2025 PF 29310. And the court will give you a credit for any successful inpatient treatment. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that means, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? And I'll also request the therapeutic community. I have no authority to force them to place you in the program. I can't order that, but they'll see that it's in the judgment that you need help with any type of drug addictions. It does not increase the length of time that you're in custody. It's just to help you with your addictions.
Your Honor, would the court consider presumptively granting him diligent participation credit upon him doing substance use classes, vocational and educational training in the state jail facility?
I will consider that once I receive it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. All right. So here's the thing. When you're released from custody, you truly want help with your drug or alcohol problem. If I'm still here when you get out, I'll help you find a sober living house. But at the end of the day, if you continue the path on that, you're on, only one of two things going to happen. Either you're going to end up in somebody's prison or jail for the rest of your life, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck to you.